As a program manager, it is my responsibility to successfully launch my company's new product ideas. I've assembled an awesome team and we have an amazing new idea to share with the world. But like any company, we have to ensure that successfully makes it to market. We currently leverage Gantt charts for tasks and milestones, a PDM system for program deliverables, and emails for issue tracking. Not to mention, I have to corral everyone into my weekly meeting to get status updates and time estimates. Let's take a few minutes to see how SOLIDWORKS Manage connects to all these critical activities in one powerful interface to help you streamline your next product launch. Let's face it, one of the biggest challenges with any product launch is determining the status of where the project is. Are tasks getting completed? Are we behind schedule in a given phase? With SOLIDWORKS Manage, information like this can be presented in an easy-to-understand dashboard that can be tailored not only for critical information I need, but also present the right information to the functional areas of my team. This real-time reporting is driven by the project itself. In the same interface, I can switch my lists of projects to get a deeper understanding of the progress status of each, and I can quickly consume project details through the preview tabs at the bottom. Projects also act as a container to pull together all supporting and related information. Gantt charts can be created from templates that can have key stages and milestones for our NPI processes already defined. Once created, timelines can be easily modified with a simple drag and drop. For this design, I've determined additional testing will be required. Let's add a few notes to the task to allocate what I anticipate the needed hours will be. And to make it easy on my team, I will attach both the test specifications and design documents. In the past, there would be no way to do this because our projects weren't connected to our design documents. But because SOLIDWORKS Manage is an extension of PDM Professional, it's easy to attach both document records from PDM. I'll assign the appropriate resource to the task and I'm done. The integration extends further when it's time to ensure I have a complete bill of materials. Inside my project, I can leverage the existing mechanical BOM from PDM Pro, as well as capture those additional items like tooling, electrical components, and packaging. To track the status of our projects, project stages can be modified by updating the percentage complete in the stage, or can be driven by my team through the use of timesheets. The team can select the project task they are working on and log time directly against it. This provides a powerful way of getting an actual value for time spent compared to estimating time. This also ensures you have visibility to whether a product is still on track for delivery. Finally, it is important to be able to track issues that might arise, as well as mitigate risks that can be identified. Both are clearly captured in SOLIDWORKS Manage and connected to the project where the whole team have visibility to review and act if needed. Now that the key aspects of my new project introduction are connected through SOLIDWORKS Manage, we're able to streamline our next product launch. Take a moment to evaluate your NPI process and consider what SOLIDWORKS Manage could mean to your business. Check out our other videos to explore the additional capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Manage.